Hello, in this short video we're going to look at the new navigation system in Waltz 1.36. We've changed how you navigate inside pages in Waltz based on user feedback. We're doing away with the sort of horizontal menu, which you may be familiar with. So here's an example from an older instance of Waltz. We navigate through sections on different pages by using this horizontal menu. So we can open sections. Sometimes sections are a bit sort of more hierarchically organised. So for example, these are everything related to applications, question complexity, or the applications themselves. So this was working well. We've had this for numerous years. We decided it's time for an overhaul. So in 1.36 we're changing this over. We're now moving to a sort of sidebar navigation. So outwardly not too much difference on these pages because there is no sort of intra-page navigation, but if we go and have a look at a page with sections, you notice that the horizontal menu is gone and it's been replaced by this menu bar on the side, the sidebar. As before, you click these sections and they'll open up. We've also rebalanced, reassigned some of the sections to make more sense in this sort of semi-tree structure. This is quite large, so after a while you might sort of want the extra screen space by collapsing it. So there's a little collapse button down here. You can see this then turns back into the icons. The reason for the yellows is just letting you know which sections are currently open, and the sort of strength of the yellow indicates how recently you opened it. That's pretty much it. As you move around Waltz, the menu will change, obviously, depending upon the page and what sections it has available to it. Longer term, looking at future releases after 1.36, we'll be looking, depending on feedback, we'll be looking to move more of these sorts of navigation controls into the sidebar, with an ultimate view of decommissioning the top bar altogether. Thanks very much for watching.